Click the button to subscribe, followed by the bell icon, and you'll be subscribed to the Eastwood YouTube channel where you'll get great how-to videos and a chance to win awesome tools. When you subscribe to the Eastwood YouTube channel, you'll be the first to see our new products in action while getting great tech tips and how-to videos. Plus, if you subscribe now, you get a chance to win a Concours Pro 2-gun paint gun kit that comes with a full-size paint gun and a detail gun, plus all the needle nozzles you need to spray everything from primer to base to clear coat. If you're already a subscriber, don't worry, you're already entered in this contest. We don't want your phone number or email address, so you don't have to worry about spam. We just want you watching our videos because we're confident when you see Eastwood products in action and learn how to use them, you're going to become an Eastwood customer for life. Click the button to subscribe, followed by clicking the bell icon to get great videos and a chance to win Eastwood tools. When you're an Eastwood subscriber, you have a chance to win the Concours Pro 2-gun paint kit when we hit 350,000 subscribers.